Welcome to Tech Pulse, your daily AI news update for March 4th, 2026. Stay tuned for today's top stories in artificial intelligence. Breaking news. Offshore wind turbines are now powering underwater data centers. Here are today's biggest AI stories. Who needs data centers in space when they can float offshore? This represents a revolutionary approach to sustainable computing infrastructure. By placing data centers directly beneath floating wind turbines, Aikido is solving two major problems: renewable energy sourcing and cooling efficiency simultaneously. The ocean provides natural cooling, potentially reducing energy consumption by 40% compared to traditional land-based facilities. Why AI startups are selling the same equity at two different prices. This dual pricing strategy reveals how some AI companies are artificially inflating their valuations to achieve unicorn status. By offering different share classes with varying rights and restrictions, founders can report higher valuations to the media while raising actual capital at lower prices. This practice raises serious questions about transparency in AI startup funding and could lead to regulatory scrutiny. Alibaba's Quen tech lead steps down after major AI push. Yunyang Lin's departure comes at a critical moment for Alibaba's AI ambitions, following their latest major model launch. Leadership changes in core AI teams often signal strategic shifts or internal challenges in China's competitive AI landscape. This development could impact Alibaba's position in the global AI race, particularly as Chinese companies face increasing pressure to innovate independently. AI companies are spending millions to thwart this former tech exec's congressional bid. The $125 million Super PAC campaign against regulation-friendly candidates reveals how seriously AI companies are taking political threats to their business models. Former tech executive Alex Bors represents a new breed of politician who understands both technology and policy, making him particularly dangerous to companies resisting oversight. This marks a significant escalation in the political battle over AI governance. ChatGPT's new GPT-5.3 instant model will stop telling you to calm down. OpenAI is directly addressing user complaints about overly cautious or patronizing responses from their models. The cringe factor has been a persistent issue with AI assistants that prioritize safety over natural conversation. This update suggests OpenAI believes they've made significant progress in balancing helpfulness with appropriate tone and contextual awareness. Claude Code rolls out a voice mode capability. Anthropic is expanding Claude's capabilities beyond text-based coding assistants with this voice integration. This represents a strategic move to capture developers who prefer verbal communication or multitasking while coding. Voice mode could significantly improve accessibility and create new workflows for programmers with different working styles. X says it will suspend creators from revenue-sharing program for unlabeled AI posts of armed conflict. This policy represents one of the most aggressive platform responses to AI-generated misinformation about conflicts. The 3-month suspension for first offenses shows X is taking this seriously, but permanent bans for repeat violations could be controversial. This creates new challenges for creators who must now properly label all AI-generated content related to sensitive topics. PRX Part 3, Training a Text-to-Image Model in 24 Urge. This breakthrough dramatically reduces the time and computational resources needed for training sophisticated image generation models. Achieving quality results in just 24 hours could democratize AI image creation for smaller organizations and researchers. The techniques described likely involve optimized architectures, better initialization strategies, and more efficient training protocols. GPT-5.3 Instant System Card. OpenAI's system cards provide crucial transparency about model capabilities, limitations, and safety measures. This documentation helps developers understand appropriate use cases and potential risks before integrating the technology. The system card format represents an industry best practice for responsible AI deployment that other companies are increasingly adopting. GPT 5.3 Instant, smoother, more useful everyday conversations. This update focuses on improving the natural flow of dialogue and reducing awkward transitions that have plagued previous AI assistants. Everyday Conversations suggests optimization for common queries rather than specialized tasks, indicating a consumer-focused improvement strategy. The emphasis on smoothness reflects user feedback about jarring or mechanical interactions with current AI systems. Conclusion and key takeaways. Today's AI news shows three major trends: sustainable infrastructure with offshore data centers, improved user experience through more natural AI conversations, and escalating political battles over regulation. From technical breakthroughs like 24-hour model training to policy developments affecting creators and candidates, the AI landscape continues evolving rapidly. Don't forget, if you found this AI News Roundup helpful, please subscribe for daily updates. Let us know in the comments which story surprised you most or what AI developments you're watching closely.